Background processes can quietly consume your resources. In this video, we will explain how to manage and close background processes in Windows. Many programs continue running in the background even when you are not actively using them, using memory and processing power. To see them, open the Task Manager with Ctrl-Shift-Escape. The Processes tab shows everything running, grouped into apps and background processes, along with how much each one uses. To close a background process you do not need, click it and choose End Task. Be careful, though, and avoid ending Windows system processes you do not recognize, as that can cause instability. For apps that keep running in the background, you can stop this in their settings. Open Settings, go to Apps, then Installed Apps, click in Apps Options, choose Advanced Options, and set its background permission to Never. This prevents it from running when closed. Reducing background processes frees up resources, speeds up your computer, and on laptops, improves battery life. Disabling unnecessary startup programs also reduces background activity from the moment you boot. Reviewing and trimming these processes periodically keeps your computer responsive. With fewer programs working behind the scenes, your active tasks run faster and smoother.